Hello, grade 2 scientists. This video is to show you how to record your STEM challenge unsinkable ship data and all the information that you have gathered for your challenge. Now, this template follows the scientific process, okay? And I have shown you in the previous video a flow chart that shows what the scientific process is and how we can approach a challenge like this step by step. Now, I have just put the scientific process down in order from step 1 to step 6, and I've just put little blocks in here so that you can put your answers in there. Now, this is just a template. You do not need to print this. There's not a lot of information on here. It just shows you how to do it step by step. So if you want to use a blank piece of paper and just look at the steps that I have used, and you can put your answers straight onto a blank piece of paper, doing number 1, what are we going to investigate, and so on. So you do not need to print this template. You can create your own on a piece of paper. Okay, I actually think it would be better to do it on paper because these blocks are very restricted. You will have a lot of information. If you do your research right, it will not fit into this block. Okay, so it is probably better to do it on paper, and you will probably use more than one sheet of paper as well. Okay, this challenge is for 2 weeks, so it is going to be quite comprehensive and we're going to have lots of detail. I recommend that in the first week you source your materials. So you get your tin foil and your skewer sticks and your tape. So you prepare that. You ask mom to get it for you, or you find it. So if it's already in the house, and also sourcing your material, and then also to do your research. Okay, so if you can do step 1, 2, and 3 in the first week and get your materials, and then the second week you can actually conduct your experiment or your little challenge. That would be a good time frame to follow. Okay, right. So let's have a look. So for number 1, you're going to write, what are we going to investigate? That is a question. So you're going to ask a question here. That means your question is going to end with a question mark, and you're going to start with a question word. Okay, so we want to create a boat or a ship that is unsinkable. So let's have a little think. What questions can we ask here? Maybe we can ask, how many coins can a tinfoil boat hold? That could be one question. So you need to have a little think. Okay, what question are you going to ask? What is it specifically that you are going to investigate? Okay, then research. There's a lot you can research here, and I want you to research specifically design, how you are going to design your boat. Right, so have a look online. You can look in books. You can ask family members what would be a good design to have. All right, and what design boat would have or could hold the most amount of coins. Now, remember, different ships are designed for different reasons. Some are designed for speed, some are designed to hold a lot of cargo weight. So you have to think what you're going to design your boat for. And in this case, you're designing it for weight, not for speed. That would be another challenge. Okay, we're not having sailboats, so you don't have to waste any of your materials on creating a little sail, or because it doesn't need to move. It just needs to hold a certain amount of coins. Okay, or as many coins as you can. Right. When I practiced it, my record was 25 coins. So see if you can design your ship that can hold more than that. I do wonder what the record will be in this grade. Okay, so that is your research. That will take the most of your time. Then you've got your hypothesis. That's your prediction. What do you think will happen? Test with an experiment. So you're actually going to do it. You're going to make it, and then you're going to write your results here. Analyze your results. What is it that happened? Was your hypothesis true or false? And then you write your results down. All right, boys and girls, good luck with this. Have fun.